Yo, yo, crew. Dynamo Looney D with this one. Washington Posse. DJ Husky working up the mixing.
Yes, and sound your DJ Husky, Looney D, the MC Dynamo inside the party, man. Come on, warm up the sound. L-double-O with the MID, Dynamo touching down.
If you don't know me, got somebody, I'm taking over this party. Yes, I'm employed to make you the last enjoy. Remember, now don't forget, taking over this wicked set. It's big up on the mic now, gonna get up to get down now.
Listen, glossy party crew, it's time to focus.
Man, listen,
sessions of the magic, we don't need no hocus pocus. I don't need no magic one, I'm no magician, but I got a unit style that'll make you stand and listen. All these lyrics are original, they're on my own. I'm dropping units, screaming, nobody want this microphone, cause there's too many MCs, all saying the same old shit. So get your own rise and start to do your fucking rip.
Okay, DJ, this awesome sound will take your breath away. Go deep, go down, who's up on the microphone now? Nah, check out wicked sound, get down, come on.
Doctor, I need a new prescription. No matter what I do, I just can't beat this rave addiction. Don't matter whether it's morning, don't matter whether it's night, I need my fucking raving fixes taking all my life. You find me on this dance floor with any nothing's rave. I'm taking the first steps, I'll admit I am a raving slave. And I can't believe that I'm an addict. See the mic, I've got to have it. What's started just for fun is now my daily habit.
Mission moving microphone, not ticket to got music, so not please you bitch you've never heard. Ecstasy is so muted. Every time you take that talk, you're looking like a mug. Ask her what your choices are. You're jumping up and down. Judge on not picking on back, I rock on time up into attacker. My mental rave and scream, fuck all my raving scene. Brave team up, brave nation, keep up my new generation. Sing up in TMT with the MC Fusion.
That's respect to the BOD, to the MC intro. Hot type body fucking two shoes. Come on.
R.I.P. all the Washington boys, man. Too many to mention.
And that's respect to R.I.P. Casey fucking D. We're just warming up now. Looney D and the Dynamo, Hesky's in your town. Let's go!
We're rising it, hypnotizing it, revitalizing it. My Looney D go energizing it.
Turn on the telly, you what do I see? A bunch of fucking terrorists staring back at me. Maybe one, maybe two, maybe fucking three. With the wicked bands causing misery. Knock him up upon the street and say what's going on. But how these motherfuckers back to kill us with a bomb. One of them steps on of us. He's a doubting metaphors. Back to the boom. All those people make the time.
Boys drag racing, police are chasing. Hyper speed, I said it's what we are making. The wheels spinning around so fast. Into the distance with the nights all flash. Singing nights all flash. The rave injection. This is the Dynamo from my beginning session. They got it up and lasting like no to the can. Don't keep back any negative mode. Looney D now once again.
Alteration to your mind, a chemical formation. A little tiny bag of powder's controlling the nation. You're spending your heart and cash just to get a hit. These people always tell themselves one more thing I'll quit. But that was kids on Monday, now Friday's round the corner. You feel those savings creeping up and you're looking for a sorter. You're running for the cocaine bus, got no cash for it. Fucking, hey next week, get this session kick.
Walk through my patchy catch it, set before it gets dangerous. Look, it's on most of it, so when you come just stick with us. Night crime, cause theft has put it as a lot. But personally I have to chill out and suck it on the pot, that's why.
Dynamo Looney D, having a party. Come on, drop kick, right kick. That's what you're gonna miss to me. I know you're looking great, come on.
Nah, rise it up, begin the bush. Your big idea gets me, we're sounding dangerous. So rise it up, begin the bush, go deeper. We're gonna slice it like the Grim Reaper. We're rising, hypnotizing, who's up on the mic, revitalizing.
Beat, bouncing, beat, bouncing, beat, bouncing. Holy ravens, get dancing, beat, bouncing.
You're bouncing,
beat, bouncing. Holy ravens, get dancing. Yes, man. Respect the DJ Husky every time. Your DJ Wilson, a kitty with the baseline, yo.
Hold tight the crew on lockdown, man. Washington Spirit, it's all happening tonight, crew. Looney D with this one. Nah, 3, 2, 1, kill.
I took out the bed like I took out the box and the working week is over. I put my fingers to the bone, no way I'm staying sober. Shower, shave out the door, feeling fucking fresh. I know that shit too, but it takes to the boys ahead and west, oh yes. All about the session, now we're flying. Every hour that passes by the crew information, don't need no transportation. We're so high, we just fly to every destination. I didn't choose a rave life, rave life chose me. I'm born to rave, born to dance, born to have a party. I didn't choose a rave life chose me. Born to rave, born to dance, dynamo party.
Side effect to taking drugs, you haven't got a clue. Injecting heroin, smoking crack, Pacific glue. Leave the combination, where's you can buy. Can't keep up, fucking taking the next triple die, get high.
Come on in, let's go. Because it's tuned into my phone. It's all the already I'm a deep in the back of the time of the mind. My deep, what am I? Yeah, more doing it right, oh yeah.
Hey, ho, yo, so how the fuck does it go? You're gonna get the pill, you're gonna put it in your mouth, and then it's time to swallow. Yo, vibes up, they're gonna push go down. Bad boy, get him out right now. Nah, bad boys fast on washing.
Yeah, I don't like cocaine, but I love the smell of it. I make my mates a rock them up, and now I'm in my element. Sniff it back, feel it, drop inhalers, rocks like cocoa pops. We never want this boss to stop, cause I love, you love, we love the sex. Cause I love, you love, we love the sex. Cause I love, you love, we love the sex. We're from the northeast, it's what we do best.
Crew in Scooby-Doo, car full of people coming for you. They got armor to be full back, 3 to action, no chit-chat. 1 roll, 2 roll, 3 roll, 4. Hit the floor, you can't take no more. Get back up, you little pup, that is going even up. Oh yeah. Nah, Heskey DJ, so rise it up right now. Now that blue, let's get down. Who's up on the microphone now? Bad boys back from Washington, yeah.
Stand up, take notice, I'm back economy, focus in the scene. Who want my team and I want my rope, I change the G, so time team, no covering. Me and I mic, that's all I need, like rats. Rats can be that I shake me, follow me, time you see. Smoking out these locusts, on the bad one did hypnosis. Cause I'm the real deal, they're focused, why is it took it, it's up to notice.
My loony.
Standing action, everyone's enemies, trying to get out into the main artery. Look loaded, artillery, we're gonna drop like bombs on the flashing.
So sword, you're screaming, oh my lord. I want you, don't mess with me. You won't put me negging me, so check one, high body, now get the move on. Taking you higher, maximum, DJ's back on my shoulder.
Get where you're from, I don't care where you've been. If you love the raving party, then you've got a friend in me. If you love a good vibe, then take a step inside. Gravity, and the floor, there's no need to hide. Relax and dance like no one else can see. You love the raving party, then you've got a friend and be relaxed. Dance like no one else can see. You love the raving party, come in Looney D.
She got the mixing, lock her up because of his addiction. For the team, it's our team looking just like him up. But if you go 1, 2, and 3, dynamo,
Let's see.
your big AT looking lively, but with a loony D.
Drop now, kick now, feel the vibe. Drop now, kick now, feel the vibe. Drop now, kick now, feel the vibe. To the carbon and I feel the beat, feel the vibe, feel the beat and I feel the vibe. Let's get loonies on your guys, yo.
She got the mixture, put me back up into the picture. Cause I'm here to entertain ya. You don't like to see you later. Rap, like Millie. Oh, the ladies, don't be silly. I will slap you with my willy. Keep you warm when you are chilly.
Yeah, man, Dynamo inside the fucking building. Washington Q, let's go. Hold tight your DJ, Lee J. Keys of D, double C. That's respect to the MC Newey. You're majestic.
Hold tight the boys in here, champagne, man. And R.I.P. all the rest that's not with us, yes?
Yo, Dynamo, you want this one? Come on in, come on in.
Out, R.I.P. Mess with me, can I stick up phone? Shoot you like Ramon Moto. Trying I don't hunt you down, but I'm not fooling like I'm no clown. That's you with an SMG. I'm a fugitive, can't you see? You're the person that's suspectful, begin the one who likes to be charged. Dip up like a burglar, bet you like I'm a murderer. I'm a criminal, that is me. Ruin a bit like an MP. It's able to tell because I'm not shy. When you dig a bush in spine, so keep running as fast as you can. You'll not escape the main man.
I don't smoke weed for medicinal practices. I smoke that weed to get high. So fuck anyone who's judging me. I smoke the black across the sea. Shut your mouth and pass me your light. Because I'm stuck in the bones. And could you leave me alone? I got no time for pointless lectures in life. I'll take your opinion and I'll roll it. Your lecture and I'll roll it. Raise it up and pass to the right.
I am the master rapper. Don't feel you full of pat. I'll tell you a story how it is. Selling drugs, it is a business. Yes, it is, and I should know. I'm your dealer, Dynamo. Selling covers is what I do. Dishing matter all of the crew.
I love it if you like it, I don't care if you don't. Ain't nobody gonna bring me down when I'm in the zone. I stand alone. You stare at me, preparing to go. The anticipation building starts to overflow. I lock and load. Starts like your vibe, building the flow. Trying to keep you interested as my chapter unfolds. Just so you know, I never stop till I break the mold. Got my finger on the trigger, let these rhyming bombs explode.
Check, check. Check, check.
Breakdown N-R-G. I'll type the MC Surge. He's ready for a little purge. Let's go. It's time to go mental.
DJ Heskey, rising it like an animal, man. Okay, nah. DJ, come on.
Live on, picking up the sound. The sound of the MC Looney. Taking it back, you dropping back, you wanna. You drop back, you walk out. One time to get you kicking. Touch to the vibe, elbow on to the end of the wide. It's elbow on to the end of the wide. Just Tiny Moss on the Michael time. Let's go. The pump up the beat, gotta pump up the techno.
Mission moving microphone, I take it to go different zone. I play shit you've never heard. Ecstasy gets so absurd. Anytime you take that talk, you're looking like a mob. As for why John Joseph's out, you are jumping up and down.
You're jumping up and down. You're jumping up and down. Come on. Let's go.
And a whiplash German, put on with a job that's turning. So they take to the streets of dealing. Get tested and you're still stealing. Sound of this miss me, I'm an animal. I'm meeting you like a cannibal.
Now that it's a weekend, I just wanna feel like buzz. But I don't want no class A's, cause music is my drug. I wanna feel pure ecstasy, sets me from reality. Rock was drop, and we're stuck together as one harmony. I wanna feel the heat, and the beat 5 beats, I'll do my feet and repeat. Till I get what I need for the range of music frequencies. Music is a master, my body is a vassal. Connect us hot and paradise on the same side of the spectrum. Junk it now, DJ, junk it now, DJ, junk it now, DJ. Heskey is your DJ.
Working the mixing. My Heskey's kicking.
Let's go. We're bringing the old school vibes. Looney taking my tonight. Do my yabba bo. Do my yabba bo. Watching the crew. Let's go.
Yes, my crew. You know what to do.
Drop, go. I'll tell you, DJ Chronic, MC Reload. With the MC stripe, throwing it up that dynamite.
Crew in a Scooby-Doo, car full of people coming for you. They got arm of the beast ball back. Things are watching, no chit-chat. 1 blow, 2 blow, 3 blow, 4. Hit the floor, you can't take no more. Get up, you little pup. That is not when even up, you know. Lean, that same machine. Dynamo now back on the scene. But each is on the guitar. Wicked mixing, that is a fact. Hardcore now down to the bone. Let's see the truth ever known. You've never seen or heard. Pig and dig and knock him up.
Like a tip vivid iceberg, I'm just breaking the surface. Need to find myself purpose before I find myself surface. 2 requirements and taking early retirement. Why I'm constantly adapting to surrounding environments. My mind is so twisted that my thoughts are encrypted. To find all the answers, I think I'm bigger than mystic to help this misfit. And they say that I'm gifted, cause I've got more ideas and they've got tools. I quit it, I make them fit quick. You set the bar, I lift it. They think you're trying to say the ship is selling, I missed it. Well, here's this. I'll swim the ocean, that's the difference. To get where I want to be with God as my witness. With God as my witness, crew.
Yes, Looney D. With a DJ Heskey.
You're DJ Heskey. Hold tight, you're Neshy. This one's for you. Come on, with a bit now, cool.
We're breaking. This awesome sound we're demonstrating.
I'll be lurking in the shadows, conscious for you can see. I'll be there to take your pain away, helping in your times of need. Just waiting for my chance to plant my addiction seed. Affecting lives in terrible ways. You think you are my friend, you think I am the answer, you think I am your friend. But just like every gambler, dear, beats you in the end. I stand for this passing daylight, hoping rise and see my job. This right now, maggot, think you are my being. I'm the key ingredient, forgot about weekend session. You think it's all just fun and games, trying to leave your lives a mess. So let's all play together, take a recite what's roulette. here to take part, I'm here to take over.
Yes, yes, my crew. DJ Heskey, I'm liking the vibe selection, man.
What's the MC Quality, Sunderland crew? You know it.
I'm making you aware of the polarity.
You know. Pump up the techno, inhale the positive, exhale the negative. Get on the dance or show me what you got to give. Inhale the positive, exhale the negative. Get on the dance or show me what you got to give. Inhale the positive, exhale the negative. Get on the dance or show me what you got to give.
But jag ser fusion, MC quality, until it's do it. Sit Jolie, be my text technician, have to mix up mental music. Gonna get on the floor, big IT, gonna be that raw. Who's up on the mic, I'm at your door. 1 clock, 2 clock, 3 clock, 4, come on. With a 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, come on. Bad boy, get a microphone, come on. Take you up at the maximum. B-A-D, come on.
These days, everyone's a drug dealer. Everybody knows a bloke, he's knocking out the gear. A different motive every month, rolling on his wrist. But he's never worked a day in his life, I think you get the gist. Cause life holds no value, money holds it all. Don't you think it's fucking backward, we got by time after all. The clock waits for no man, it's never standing still. But will they take a chance, gonna risk it for the thrill? Now drugs, money, fast cars, rocker than nothing, posh bars. Too much of a gangster to end up behind bars. Modern day mentality is fast becoming normality. So do what you want, cause anything goes. A session in society.
Yes, sir.
This is a session in society.
Hey ho, sing how does it go? Check that music, awesome flow. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0, come on. Check this beat line, BJ's back in the move on time. Check this music in rhyme, big IT taking the bleach one time.
Wired to the moon, do it. Wired to the moon, do it. Wired to the moon, do it. Set the off like firework, watch this place go boom.
When I was younger, rocking the microphone, I'm making lyrics in rhyme, singing up the good old times. And I thought I just don't know who could be your animal. And I thought that I could see Looney T now next to me.
The Looney T next to me, having a party. Get a rock and a rhyme. So,
cause this main man is back, Liverpool G on track. Your big IT in a bar like that. Check this sound with a beast full back. Go deep, big IT now turn up the heat. Turn up the pressure, big IT now we're coming at you, come on.
Coming at ya, coming on.
To the maximum, come on.
Your DJ, take it away.
Heroin, know what to do.
Breaking down the sound, my crew. Yes, man. Looney T, Dynamo, rolling back the years here. Come on
in. Sweat box, man.
Melton John.
Hey ho, let's go. Big IT is Dynamo, you know.
Coming on in. Yo, DJ, get the bass, I'm rocking and a hand is techno sound of the mic, it's real. You whenever the bass not touching down, Dynamo's in you down.
Mission moving microphone, I take it to go different zone. I play shit bitch you've never heard. Ecstasy is so absurd. In the rest of the music, I'm back in the place, gonna lose it. Check that music, awesome vibe. Who is the one of my one time?
Determination is key, fulfill your faith and fantasy. Will you believe they come and see you? Wanna be the best and never be. Never gonna stop till you're at the top. Making us ravers dance is wrong. Keep passing every day whenever there's session on their way. Living's all in off my time. When's it gonna end? Never is the answer gonna drive you around the bend. Cause now I'm standing here, mic in my hand, right from the dance floor. Your wish is my command.
Gonna rock to the melody. Your big IT, I'm causing a felony. Gonna check that vibe. Who is the one of my called type? And the police one time, check that music, awesome rhyme.
Dynamo Looney T, Dynamo Looney T, Dynamo Looney T.
Singing, are you ready?
Dynamo Looney T, Dynamo Looney T. To the sound of your DJ Heskey. Come on, are you ready for the mix? Who's on the back of the MIC? Gonna rock to the beat like this song. Just kicking a feel of vibe. Who's on the mic that rock, yeah? Your DJ Heskey is here to get you jumped in. Here to get you jumping, girl. What do you say? You wanna come and party on MDMA?
Check it out, rock right now. sound. Dynamo's on the mic, get down. Go deep, bow down to the ground. Check that music, awesome sound. S-O-U-N-D, Dynamo the MC. Big Eddie looking lively, back with the Looney D.
Turn off the music, turn on the lights. We don't give a fuck, we're raving all night. You can turn off the music, turn on the lights, but we don't give a fuck, cause we're raving all night through.
Okay, your Husky DJ, song, fight it up, begin the bush. Your Big AD go dangerous. This is the antique you can't touch. Who's gonna play some monstrous?
Lunatic by name. Haha, I'm a lunatic by nature. Come on, I'm a lunatic by name. I'm a lunatic by nature. Don't fuck with me, I'll get in my way, I'll exterminate ya. I'm gonna take the normal prisoners, smashing through this life. There's something out the years, I'm getting nowhere being nice. Shame life changed me into who I am today. Cause I wasn't, there was a hard face couple, life made me this way. It's time that people noticed and took a half step back for chat shit without even knowing the crack. So go on, mention me, spread rumors if you dare. I'll make you look at the fairy tales, I drag you off to hell. You've been wishing you could turn my time right amongst to me. Put your colours and take your life, that's all I'll ever see. No time for your redemption, I'm not making no exceptions. You haven't met your mate yet, don't mean that I'm forgetting. Keep pushing, you must really think I'm daft, but it's me who's got the smile on my face, having the last laugh.
Cause this main man is back, Liverpool jig, I'm on track. Your Big AD to rock like that, strike you down with a beast ball back. Your lyric performer, gonna big up the Starship Stormer, taking your highlight cause we came Norma. Bad boy gonna warn ya.
Now what do you say? You wanna come and party on empty your bags of soul? Party crew, what do you say? Follow Reese Jonesy, show you the way, come on.
Your lyric providing, back on bed, back riding. And the police so tight then, on the microphone rising. Gonna go down deep, Big AD now turn up the heat. Turn up the pressure, Big AD now we're coming at ya.
Let's hear what they say. You're a solitude, your girl's an age. Let them pretend there's nothing to do with all the coke she takes. She acts on shy from 9 to 5. Once I come to a different side, I wonder how long she hangs around. Once it clash some sides. Take off your most tinted specs. She's no different from the rest. Another gold digger with the rise and the prize and needs to pay her debts. You think she's love will hardly. Your girl just wants to party. This clean as day, you still can't see your girl's in love with a Charlie.
Get down, let's rock right now.
That one's for all the Corcors. We know who you are.
Hey ho, let's go.
To John and Mark, what am I tonight? Looney G now doing it right.
Get down, who's in the microphone right now? Liverpool G from Washington, Big AD, I couldn't get down. Get involved with the hardcore, bad boy right now once more. Nah, get a move on, get on the dance floor.
What they do is rockin', now here we go again. Your dance floor's rockin', the dance floor jumpin'. To the beat of rhythm, sound of the vibe. Your L, you're double love, N-N-Y, yeah.
Walk through my battery, activist, everybody is dangerous. Rockies on most of it, so when you come just stick with us. Not crime, cause that does not, it has a lot. But personally I just chill out and smoking lots of pot, that's what.
This is in respect, and the fact that we all know his name is David Pace. His smiling always glows. These people always say to me, God only takes the best. But that really got me thinking that my boy was like the rest. Cause what could be the reason his life was cut too short? But something says the answer's just a lesson set by taught. Gonna keep them in your memories, make time for all of once. It's to what they say, to what you've got until it's gone.
Alright, here to the MC tempo, if he wants it, he wants you to go. Storming him in the mental, then go like that chemical, yes, he would eat like a pill. He will see that he will skill. Rave on until again, he can see what's to pretend. I don't know what he was taking, but that focus Satan. If I got one more time, back to back, turn him on. He could do just how I feel, him be gone is so unreal. Just once more, Nick said, bone knocking on the floor.
Your DJ, they're still gonna mix it right. Wanna mix it down, has he such it down. Inside the party, man. What's up, the MC Fusion, MC Creeper? Yes, Sim. Bertie, Unit, Roscoe. Azzy, Downforce fucking posse, man, you know the score. Let's go! Let's go, what am I, it's me! I'm thinking about the time has passed, it's starting to get scary. These days you're playing in the streets and now in distant memory. So it's time to act mature, or at least that's what I'm told. Fuck that shit, man. Who fucking wants it, man? Caught a riot from that moment, we were off to flyer. I reached a peak of Everest, I couldn't get any higher. I said, you're like an American school, I wanna shoot kids inside ya. Spinning my head like a waltzer, making me wanna ride out too far. Shall I take that back? It's a joke that should be tracked. Keep my image to the woman in time. Sorry bro, I don't roll like that. So let's get back to the story. She wanted to meet my morning glory. When I got tongue, she dropped that niggas, I can see your hippo yawning. Like you stepped on Big Mac, left like Pumpy, barely intact. Trying to dead, but came up close to the fight with me, but I tried. I just couldn't hack it. It's like a town that Donald just blasted. This bitch been penetrated more times than the video of a smackhead.
Now listen, my technician, big LT, gonna biscuit picking. But big LT, not big old boy. Doing that, now let's get high. Go deep, go low. Big LT gets dynamo. You're 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0.
Jiggery talk, can you hear that clock tick tock? The cat knows up, my time is now to show with the cream of the crop. It's time to nail my performance. Too long I've laid here dormant. Patiently wait for a chance to look and land the seat, no warning. Believe me, I'm not interested in what the rest obsessed with. Like what I like and I sing it out with it, and that's what skill I'm blessed with. There might be common sense, sometimes as a consequence. Fuck that tip, you treat yourself, the blind in the mirror, I represent.
Heroin, know what to do. When all of your bossy crew are addicted to that cool. Tell them it's not what they should, but they may not listen. They're gonna think that you are messing. Your crew gonna keep on listening in.
Standing on a field, the police were surrounded. I was getting kinda scared, my heart was pounding. A whole lot of drugs on me, my intent to supply. There's no way I was getting caught, I'd rather fucking die. See the gap, took my chance, left those busy in a trance. Adrenaline rushed my mind and hands. How did I get the second chance to grasp? What stitches get stitches? You're taking away in the back of the van, dumped in dirty ditches.
Yeah, yeah. Come on, come on. In Horsey Metro. Kieran Grime HMP with this next one. Got out to Sully as well, man.
Chrissy G. Long stretch at HMP, man, respect. Yeah, man. Come on. We pop up the bass, start sound. It's a sound. I know sometimes you're feeling kinda down. You don't want anybody hanging around you when I'm sitting in your room. You're all alone. You're making new lyrics on a microphone, say nothing. So by this time, you should be feeling better. You can hear these vibes ticking. You can feel the pressure. Practice makes perfect. Do not forget, there's all the wickedness. He's gonna put you to the test. Come on.
In Horsey Metal, Kieran Grime is next to me. Sing he was pretend he was wrecked and he couldn't see. And I was hearing he was pushing pedals to the floor. The double clutching whistle spinning and just off the roar.
Yeah.
Accelerating to the distance somewhere very far. Sing wicked in tax the rocket fighting to the stars. Then the Cowboys we were off and we will come back down. Also forward, also fast, we will hit the ground now.
Well, once upon a time, I went to my friends. What was I now on the kitchen bench? Back at 50 calories, back at 50 bills. He took one of them and he just kinda chill. He got it back his chair and he dusted around the floor. He just couldn't resist to take one more. He fell to the ground, he banged his head. Never woke up because he was dead.
D-O-U-B-L-E-T, double dipping with body seat. The Washington Posse.
Washington Posse. Are you fucking ready, man?
Gotta get up to get up, vibration now it don't stop. Gotta get up to get down, big IT, get them out right now. Rise it up, we're gonna push go deeper. We're gonna slice it like you can reaper. You're ripping rising, we're hypnotizing.
Head to the dance floor, wanna see you jumping. Raise those right hands in the air, get those fists pumping. Head to the dance floor, wanna see you jumping. Dynamo, Looney D, get this